Hello everyone, I, Dr. Sachin Sabharwal, Faculty, Management Department of Technia Institute of Advanced Studies, is going to deliver a lecture on ways to increase the effectiveness of digital marketing. A strategy that is linked into the effectiveness of digital marketing is content marketing. Content marketing can be briefly described as delivering the content that your audience is seeking in the places that they are searching for it. It is found that content marketing is highly present in digital marketing and becomes highly successful when content marketing is involved. This is due to the content marketing making your brand more relevant to the target consumers as well as more visible to the target consumer. Marketers also find email an effective strategy when it comes to digital marketing, as it is another way to build a long-term relationship with the consumer. Listed below are some of the aspects that need to be considered to have an effective digital media campaign and aspects that help create an effective email system. First is interesting mail titles. Differentiate one advertisement from another. This separates advertisements from the clutter. Differentiation is one factor that can make an advertisement successful in digital marketing because consumers are drawn to it and are more likely to view the advertisement. Second is establishment of customer exclusivity. A list of customers and customers' details should be kept on a database for follow-up, and selected customers can be sent selected offers and promotions of deals related to the customer's previous buyer behavior. This is an effective in digital marketing as it allows organizations to build up loyalty over email. Next is low technical requirements. In order to get the full use of digital marketing, it is useful to make an advertisement campaign have low technical requirements. This prevents some consumers not being able to understand or view the advertising campaign. Next is rewards. The lucrative offers would always help in making your digital campaign a success. Give some rewards in the end of the campaign. This would definitely invite more engagement and word of mouth publicity. So I hope that you understand the topic, effectiveness of digital marketing. Thank you.